Integration by parts is used when integrating a product of two functions of a certain format. Here's the formula. The integral of u times v dash with respect to x is equal to the product of u and v subtract the integral of u dash times v. So we treat one of the factors in the product as some function of x, called u here, and we treat the other factor as the derivative of some function of x, called v dash here. So, in the original product, we have to be able to integrate one of the factors and differentiate the other one, which means it's important which way round we label the factors, i.e. we must be careful which one we call u and which one we call v dash. Let's have a look at how to apply this formula in practice. We're asked to use integration by parts to find the integral of x times e to the x with respect to x. We must consider what's going to play the part of u and what will play the part of v dash. Then we also have to compute u dash and v, since both of these are also used in the formula. Now, e to the x won't change if we differentiate it or integrate it. So let's look at the other function. If we integrate x, we get x squared over 2, which is likely to make things more complicated. But if we differentiate x, we get 1, which looks like it would make things slightly simpler. So you see, you have to pick your u and your v dash such that when you use the formula, the integral is transformed into something simpler. So let's choose u to be x, then u dash is 1, and let's choose v dash to be e to the x, so that v is the integral of e to the x, which is e to the x. At this stage, we would usually put in a constant of integration after such an integral, but because we haven't completed the integration that we're going to do, we will just leave that for now and put the constant in at the end. Now, consider the formula. We have the integral of u times v dash with respect to x is equal to u times v subtract the integral of u dash times v with respect to x. But we have calculated all these quantities now, so we can just sub them in. U is x and v is e to the x. We subtract the integral of u dash, which is 1, times v, which is e to the x. So we get x times e to the x minus the integral of e to the x with respect to x, which is x times e to the x minus e to the x plus a constant of integration, c. We can write this as e to the x times x minus 1 plus c.